Hey guys, I thought I'd do an unboxing of two bags that I have been asked to review and unbox for you guys. So I'm going to do that now. It's from Amazon. So first thing I'm going to unbox is this white bag. Now I think this is like a bag like a bag protector. So like if you want to put your bag somewhere, you don't want to ruin it. I think this is what it is. So it comes with a handle, and I think you just pop your bag in there. So let me just read what it says on Amazon for you guys, so you know what it is that this bag is a protector. So the information, basically what you do is that if you have a bag and you're putting it in like a wardrobe, or like what I do, I put it like, I hang it, my bags up, you can put them in this bag protector, and it protects your bag from like dust and dirt and stuff, so that it won't get ruined. I think it's a really good idea, because I have two birds and they like to fly around and land on things. So if I got my bag in this and they poop on it, it don't matter because it's protected. So I think it's a really good idea. You can get different sizes. Obviously I'll link the description down below where you can get them. You can get different sizes, and I think it's just a really good idea. And yeah, that's basically what it is. It protects your bag, purse from anything, or like if you're just putting it in a wardrobe and you want to protect your bag from like dust and mites and stuff, this is the bag for you. So let me just give it a show you guys. So just open it up like so. You can even use it like at a concert, to be honest. I mean, you could just like, if you're going to a concert and you're not allowed to have like anything in, like you're not allowed to have a bag, just put your stuff in there. They can see everything in there. So basically you get your bag. Mine's a bit small for this, but yeah, you get this and you pop it in here. Like that. And then you do it up like this. And there you go. Your bag is protected from anything. I think that is a really good idea. You could buy a bunch of these, put your bag in the wardrobe, and not worry about getting it like squashed or dirty or like drawn on. Look at that. That's so good. The next bag I have to review is a man bag. This is for, I will be gifting this to my fiance after I have shown you guys what this is. And like I said, the description for this one will be in the description down below. So this one is, this is a pum bag, man's canvas travel duffel bag. So basically, if you're going away for the weekend or just on a quick holiday, this will be perfect. So let's unbox it together. very nice packaging. Very nice. Ooh. Like I said, I will be gifting this to my son because when he sleeps around mine, he brings over a little bag, so this will be perfect for him. So it comes in this nice bag. It's called Plum Bag. So it's just this brownish colour. It's quite large. It's quite hefty. So this is the brand Plum Bag. It's washing machine safe. You could iron it. Wow, this is quite a big bag. Look at that. And I will obviously link this in the description down below for you, so you can get yourself one. So there's how many compartments? So there's one compartment here. This massive compartment here. Oh, this is huge. Oh, this is to like make it bigger. So you like know on like suitcases, you can like make them bigger just by zipping a zip. This is what this is. Wow. Yeah, so that it makes it bigger. So you've got one compartment there, one compartment there, and then you've got this compartment here. Zips. There we go. So you've got one this massive compartment here with a free handle. You've got one compartment here. This bag is perfect for like weekends and stuff for men. Like I said, like if people are like going away for the weekend and they don't want to take a massive bag, this like suitcase is perfect. So you've got a compartment here, compartment there. You even got a compartment on your back. Look at this. This bag is perfect. Look at that. It's such a good bag. It's a shame it's not for women. And there's a bag, there's a little zipper on this side, so you can make this side bigger. It's been like sewn, like not sewn up, but it's been squashed in the bag for God knows how long. There, that side makes it bigger, and then got another compartment here. I recommend this bag so much. You can like take it away. So like I said, if you're going for like weekend away or sleeping around someone's house for a few days or a few weeks, this bag will be perfect because it's got so many compartments. You can just shove your stuff in there. Because like I said, my fiance likes to sleep around mine a few times. So this would be perfect for him. So I'm really gifting this to him. So when he next comes over, I'll give it to him. I really like this bag. Like I said, it's a shame it's for men. But like if I've got any men viewers out there, this one is perfect for you because it's very, very spacious. Very spacious. I'll show you guys what it probably looks like. So this is what it looks like. It is brown. Like I said, the brand is called Plum Bags. And it's enjoy life with a versatile bag. It is versatile. It's very versatile. Like I said, I'll link this in the description down below for you guys if you want to pick yourself up a plum bag. It's really big. I would get this bag myself. It's so like, what's the word? Handy. So if you go, like I said, if you want to like go on holiday or like you're going away for the week, you're going away with your girlfriend, like sleepover, or you don't want to take a massive suitcase just for a few days, just get one of these bags. This bag I think the last bag was $14.99. I'll see how much this one is. I got it like on my phone. Oh, just putting it back in. Like I said, I want to gift it to my fiance, so he'd like this. If it wants to go back in. Oh my god. But thank you to these people that asked me to review and unbox this. It was a pleasure. I like doing review videos. I would like to do more. I do try and make an effort to get them out on time. This box has been here since yesterday. I was going to do it yesterday, but I finished work, so it has now been done. Like I said, if you guys are interested in any of the 2 bags that I have shown to you in this previous video, then I will link them in the description box below. So I think this one was $14.99, the dust bag. So this massive duffel bag, so the large is $23.99, so I think that's the one I've got. And the extra large is $29.99. I got the large. So if that's a large, wonder what the extra large is going to be. It's going to be huge. But I think that's just perfect for people that don't take a lot with them, like when they're away. And I keep clicking on the wrong one. And this bag here, like I said, you can get different sizes. So the one I've got now, I think it's $14.99, the one I picked up, but there's 15 to 33 centimeters, which is $14.99, so that's the one I've got now, I think. The 15 to 40 centimeters is $17.99. The 15 to 33 centimeters is $18.99. And the 15 to 40 centimeters is $20.99. So there's different sizes for different bags sizes. So yeah, that was the end of this review and unboxing. I hope you guys liked it. Please give a big old thumbs up, and please check out the Amazon website if you guys would like or interested in these 2 bags, maybe for like your fiance or boyfriend for birthday, Christmas. Like if you're going away somewhere, it'd be perfect for that. Or if you're buying for a gift for your girlfriend or fiance, this would be perfect for her bags, to protect them, like I said, from dust and mites and like whatever, like what are they called, those those things that like to feast on clothes. I can't remember what they're called. If you know what they're called, comment down below. But you could put the bag in this to stop them from like eating it, the fabric. But yeah, that was the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. So like I said, if you're interested, please go check those 2 out. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, which is down below, obviously. And don't forget to hit that like button. Okay guys,